COVID-19 has turned the world of work upside down through lockdowns, empty offices, telecommuting and social distancing. Office space tenants have many questions. How to adapt your offices according to standards and directives. What new initiatives are you taking so that teams can meet regularly at the office? The current situation is creating available office space while the demand remains low. This provides added potential for prospective tenants of office space. What's the best way to work in a hybrid way? How does one organize a combination of working both at home and in the office? How do you get your teams back to the office and reinstate face-to-face meetings, as opposed to prolonged telecommuting? How to organize the physical presence of your teams on a rotating basis? How to adapt activity-based working. The new Belgian directive on ventilation systems must be adapted to provide up to 40 cubic meters of fresh air per person per hour. Many buildings are not properly equipped for this and will have to comply. How do you ensure that you meet the new ventilation standard of 40 cubic meters? There are different formula for making your surface flexible. The combined use of a classic office, and the concept of the business center, or even shared meeting spaces is a fast-growing trend. Providing flexibility for the years to come, in uncertain times, is the solution to not paying for square meter that you do not occupy. Negotiating flexibility in terms of the number of square meters rented is becoming the new way forward. Whether it is for the reorganization of your current offices with new concepts, or for the restructuring and negotiation of the conditions of your lease contract, we are here to guide and advise you. By exclusively defending the interests of office space tenants, we guarantee that this advice will be given without any conflicts of interest. If you want to achieve the best result in your negotiations, just give us a call. Business Space. Proud member of Exis Global Tenant Representation. 100% tenant representation.